Welcome to Cleve's Backyard Woodworking. I'm David. Today we got the GRR-Ripper by MICROJIG. It's a great sale going on for the holidays till December 21st, 2018. $10 off. And so I have one of them today. I'll unbox it, put it together, and let's get to it. So I got the GR100 model. There is a GR200, an advanced gripper. It's by MICROJIG. It's a nice push block for your table saw and many other power machinery. And let's open it up. Alright, so here we go. We have the manual. It's for the GR100 and GR200. And again, this is the GR100. Handle. It's got the green grippers on the bottom. The hardware. You have the 1-year warranty registration. Fill this out, put a stamp, send it out, or you can go online to their wet warranty registration site. That's always good to do. It does have a 3-year warranty, protects you against any manufacturer defects. This tool here is a great way to work safer and smarter, cutting your pieces on table saw. It's also great to use it on your bandsaw, router, table, and joiner. I do not have any of those at the moment. This is a must-have product for any woodworker just starting like myself, and or a chiseled veteran who's been doing this for many years. So let's put this thing together. Green thumb screws are these things here. That's 2 of them. We have green round knobs, 2 of those as well. We have green dovetail T-bolts. Alright. We have pan head screws, a couple different sizes. We have oval nut and washers here. And in the small little bag, we have some other little washers. Black O-rings. We have the main body. We have the handle. We have the balancing support. We have a 1/2 inch side leg, 1/4 inch side leg, and the center leg. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our oval nuts. Got 2 oval nuts. They're going to be used to screw down the handle. We got the pan head screws. These are going to be the 20 by 3/4 inch pan head screws. There's 2 of them. And we're going to use the 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch OD washer. So we put the washer through the screw, both of them, put them through the hole in the handle. We're going to have the oval nut go through the slot on the main body, and then, alright, so I'll get the other side, have them all set up like that. Just slightly tighten them. Tightly screw the nut, the oval nut. This catches like that. Let's get the other one. Slide this right in. There we go. And we can center it for right now. And we're good. Handle's nice and sturdy. Just get on to the next part. So now we're going to connect the main body with the center leg. So this is the center leg. Take the main body, and we are going to okay, so I'm trying to get the main body on. So this is the GR100. GR100 model. Step 2 shows me to put what looks to be an oval nut, which I do not have any more oval nuts because they were used for the handle. Now, there is these green dovetail T-bolts. So those are going to be slid in here with these green round knobs. Let's try that. I'll bring the dovetail T-bolts in the inside part of the center leg. Now I'm going to slide the T-bolts. You can adjust it and then tighten them down. So in the instruction manual, it does show different bolts, and it was showing a green thumb screw, which I only have 2, which I'm sure will be used for the balancing support. I'll put the 1/4 inch on the side of where the fence of the table saw will be. So let's open up the little washer pack. Okay, now let's screw in the side legs. We've got the bolts here, the washers, the O-ring. So they are going to go in these little holes with the inset. So these are the L10 32 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. You do have the 1/8 inch side leg attachment. That's part of another pack that you can purchase with them. I'll leave all the links in the description, the website of the MICROJIG, and the deal that's going on for the holidays. Also, you can buy this on Amazon and many other online stores. So we've got the screws and the washer. So let's put the O-ring. These 2 side legs are reversible. You can flip them over, whichever you prefer. And excuse me my sniffling. This Florida weather is crazy. One day it's 80 degrees, and a few minutes later it goes down to 60s, and the next day it's back in the 80s. So hopefully I'm not coming over anything. So yeah, alright, let's attach this side of the leg. Now we've got stabilizer, support balance, balance support, whichever you like to just call it. So you can just attach it to here with these green thumb screws. Forgot some hardware on the center, so let's get those ones done first. The balance support, get the washers, alright, and then you can either screw it onto this side or screw it in on that side. It's a very versatile tool. Get this on there. Alright, tightened. So you can adjust it for your workpiece. Just like so. I'll get a piece for you gues. Poplar wood I have here. here. Tighten that. So you got a nice support while you push it through the table saw. If you're trying to do a chamfer or a nice edge to the router table. So yeah, this thing is going to be very handy. There you have it. The GRR-Ripper by MICROJIG. So thanks for watching the unboxing and assembly of the GR100 GRR-Ripper by MICROJIG. I'm not being paid by them. This is surely just my wanting of showing this video to you guys who's just starting woodworking just like myself. And I hope it was informative and helpful for you guys. So thanks for liking and commenting my videos and subscribing to my channel. So till next time, take care.